Oh, he blocked it, deflected. You can on the edge of your seat.
That's right. Scream. You scream at them. Come on, baby. Oh, in there. Come on. Look at Jake. Oh my goodness. Time out, Jake. Relax time. He's like, what the hell is she doing? Give me a kiss. I love you. He's freaking out there. I'm gonna take this off. He's too hot.
When we go faster, when we go farther, capture that moment, make it yours, share it.
Oh shit, it's dripping all over me.
What? What?
Dripping.
I like your hat. I like your new hat.
Figure skating. Every limited edition Vancouver 2010 glass you buy helps Canadian athletes. Only at Petro Canada.
Engage back on, Jake. Come on, Taryn. That's right, game's on.
Just turn around and she's back to you.
Stassi gets another opportunity to walk. Touches right in there for a second from the point shot by Danny Boyle.
Bird, Jake. Turn around now. Game's back on.
Roberto Luongo's been stellar so far for Canada. That last save, or sequence of the save against Johnson and Stassi.